J.O. Jonathan Oliver. Haha. The day in the life of a stay-at-home dad. And this right here is my project for my daughter's 3rd birthday, which is today. Her Gigi got this for her when she was, watch this, I don't know, 2 months old. So she's had this bad boy for over 3 years. It was at our old house. When we built this house, we brought it over, put it right up in the attic. Now we barely brought this bad boy out because why? It's now officially 3 and above and she can use it. I can already tell you my first problem. Number one, I do not like putting things together. As a stay-at-home dad, I started with the crib and I'm working to cars. Just the other day, we paid somebody to come over and put this bad boy together for us through Assembly Incorporated or something. They came over and they crushed it. Took the guy an hour and a half. It would have took me a good 6-7 hours. We put this treadmill together, my wife and I. It took us 4 hours. So this is me working on this bad boy today while she's in school. Justice is in the room sleeping right now. I got the monitor turned all the way up. She's snoring, so I got a window to start working on this bad boy. I can already tell you my first problem. I hadn't charged the battery. It needs to be charged for guess what? 18 hours before it's able to work. So I'm gonna have to get a little bit of juice so she can play with it when she comes in after school. If not, this will all be doomed. I'm gonna show you a video once I get this bad boy together, put them stickers on there, and you'll see how it works in the stay-at-home dad life. And then when Journey comes back and she comes home from school and she sees her Mercedes-Benz that her Gigi's gotten her. Right now we're sitting on blocks. We're not even on blocks, but we're gonna fix it up. Wish me luck. I want to apologize for the weed eating in the background, but J.O. Jonathan Oliver, stay-at-home dad life, cannot help but think of that song of Janis Joplin. What is it like? Daddy, won't you buy me a Mercedes-Benz? And this is what Journey got for her 3rd birthday from her Gigi. She's had it for 3 years. Got the wheels kind of profiled a little bit. Took me about, let's see how long here. 1 hour and 22 minutes. Let's stop that. Bam. A little bit of a sore back. Kind of made a couple of mistakes. Had to go back and correct them. Ooh, I just noticed those mufflers. Those mufflers are clean. So she's going to be super excited when she comes home and see that. Got it charging. Hopefully it has a little bit of juice so she can play with it today. And that's it. A lot of things I do not like doing in life, but the reward of seeing my daughter with a smile and feeling excited, it's gonna be always worth it. And putting together one of those things like today is one of those things that makes her birthday special. And that's it. So go on to the next project. Justice, by the grace of God, is still asleep. So we'll get ready to go give her a bottle. And thanks for always tuning in, checking out Dad Life. Mama, won't you buy me a new Mercedes-Benz?
I need to push a button.
You push some buttons?
This time a button. I need to.
Give it some more gas. Give it a little, push your foot on the gas again, Angel.
Okay. I need to do this.
Push it again. You push it? All right, now push the gas. Push, no, with your foot. Stop. Now push the button forward. Push the button. Let go. Sit down.
I need to go back.
Okay, Daddy gonna help you. Push this button right here. All right, now put your foot on the gas. It's fast, huh?
I know.
Where you get? You getting out?
Yeah.
Where you go?
Just your top out.
Oh, get my cup out the way.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, let me get the cup out the way. All right.
Fast, I'm not going anywhere.
You're not gonna go anywhere?
No.
Why not?
This house is going to be so real.
You having fun?
Yeah.
You wanna give daddy your computer?
Okay, first, this is not the
Look at this girl. This girl's doing it. Journey, daddy's gonna check on Justice, okay?